sitting here thinking about us and the way you kiss me, any given little touch. You just make me feel like I'm the only one you want, and I can't imagine life if there was no more us, because the way you make me feel is so unreal. Just us together, no one else.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Tay,
and it's your girl Money,
and we are back with another banger. So today, y'all, we are gonna be doing the 2 times spicy noodles challenge, which, as you can see, we got our noodles right here.
Yes.
They got her noodles, and we got the little pads. Y'all know.
We got the pad.
I think this gonna be hot, y'all. Like, I don't know if I can hang, y'all.
And
Let me
then
stop playing. Take game, we got this.
Yeah, Money Gang, we got this. Plus, it's a big pack of noodles. It's a lot of noodles in them pack of noodles.
But, y'all, before we get into this challenge, we're gonna need y'all to
like,
comment,
subscribe,
and hit that
bell.
So, y'all, let's get right into this video. Y'all, I ain't putting no veggie mix in my noodles.
Yeah, I'm probably not either, because they might not let them.
I'm scared. I eat vegetables, but not like.
But y'all ever saw this big pack of sauce that those Roman noodles have the smaller pack? This gonna be hot. Then got a big pack of sauce.
Y'all scared. I'm kind of nervous.
I'm not even
I like
scared.
hot stuff though, y'all, but I can't, like, I don't know. Like, I don't like certain hot stuff.
Okay, let me see.
They put the sauce on your noodles. Don't be cheating, because I see you.
I'm smelling it.
I see you.
It don't smell hot, you guys. Taylor ain't gonna put out hers, though. I'm gonna make sure she.
Okay, man, I'm done. I put the sauce on there.
Put it up there.
I'm kind of scared.
No. They gonna turn red.
Y'all scared? She don't.
It's
They put the vegetables on there.
Am I? I'm gonna eat it.
Nah.
I'm gonna put them in there.
They don't put it in there because you ain't gonna eat it for real. Just don't put it in there.
Why not? That's a regular vegetable.
I don't think you gonna eat it for real.
Ooh, they smell hot.
Yeah, it smell like regular, like noodles. Sauce.
I ain't gonna eat that one vegetable. Them look like them ain't the right vegetables. I don't know what them.
It smell like regular noodle packet sauce.
Yeah. Also, I got me a water and I got me a hot tea drink.
And I got me a Hawaiian punch and a
she ain't
fruit
getting
punch.
no water, but
we really don't supposed to be drinking, but y'all, we just want to see who can eat the most noodles, and that's it. You know, like that. Stir it up, babe.
Tell them I stir it up. See, you gotta stir yours up, and they don't done.
I bet
they smell good.
I bet you Tay Gang. Comment down below who team you rocking with. Is it Tay Gang or is it Money Gang?
Y'all rock
Is
Money
it Tay
Gang? Money Gang.
Is it Money Gang?
Money
Is
Gang.
it Tay Gang?
Money
Is
Gang.
it Money Gang?
Money Gang.
Tay Gang.
Money Gang.
Tay Gang.
Money Gang.
Tay Gang.
Money Gang.
Tay Gang.
Money Gang.
Yeah, we goofy, so. It smell hot.
No, it don't smell. It smell like Chinese. Like you eat some Chinese food or something.
Teriyaki noodles.
Yeah. Other than that,
It's turning red, y'all. Y'all can see this.
stir it
not
up.
white.
Yeah.
They not white. They red.
Look, you left a little sauce over there in the corner. Stir it up.
They
Stir it
chill.
up. Stir it up. No. Stir it up.
Yo, mine's stirred up. Look at this.
Keep stirring. Tell me when you're ready to start eating. You got some right there still.
Let me see yours, babe. Show the camera yours, because I feel like you cheating.
Yeah, my whole bowl is stirred up. Hers not. She trying to cheat and eat some of the noodles that ain't got the season on it. She ain't finna get away like that.
Yeah, but for real, they say this is hot, but I mean, I don't think so. We'll see. I can eat hot chips and stuff, hot Takis, and all that. So if it's hotter than that,
I can eat some chips, but then it start to burn my throat. That'd be the only way I have to drink some water. But other than that, I can eat it. But if it get real hot, I give up. Ready?
I'm scared.
Go ahead and put some on the spoon.
I'm scared.
Hold on, I got some seasoning still on my spoon fork. You ready?
Come on,
Okay, y'all.
All right, y'all. I'm finna go in.
Ready? Set. Let's go. my God.
I thought you could take hot stuff.
You ain't even eat yours.
I want to see what your reaction is.
Hello. As soon as
y'all, I'm finna do it for the Tay gang.
Go ahead.
Tay gang.
Go ahead, Tay gang. As soon as you put it in your mouth, you're going to say, oh my God.
I'm doing it for y'all.
You ain't doing it for none of you wasters.
I'm scared.
Put your mouth over the bowl. As soon as you put it in your mouth, it burn in your mouth. Sorry, you should have got you some water. Told you. Told you.
Yo!
These are really hot. I thought
they were playing
about it, but these ain't hot. And plus, what's all in that sauce?
I'm done, babe. I'm done.
You done?
I can't, babe.
You done? Okay. You done?
No, I ain't done, babe.
Okay.
I'm doing it for my game.
Get you some water. Get you some of your drink.
Why didn't we just bring the drinks closer? Like,
Grab your drink. I'm finna grab mine. Okay, as you can see, I got my water because I need this first. She should have grabbed the water.
I got 2 drinks, y'all. Like, I got a fruit punch. Y'all.
That little water just actually cool my mouth down. And that juice right there ain't gonna cool that mouth down. Ain't gonna feel hot. Remember, this is my third
Y'all,
bite.
it's like the juice making it a little hotter.
This is my third bite of noodles. She only ate 2. This gonna be my third one. And I tell you that this junk is hot. Ooh.
Yo. No lie. Don't try this, y'all.
Ooh.
If you already did, I see what you was talking about. I thought y'all was exaggerating. But this is hot. And this is just my second bite.
This is my third one, so if I get more, I get a massage.
It's if whoever eat the most.
Baby, I look. This is my 5th bite.
Yeah, I can't.
Ooh. It's like when you put it in your mind, hit the spice, hit you, don't it? You should got you a water. Just give up. Give up.
You give up.
No, you give up. Come on, give up so I can get a massage.
Juice gone.
After her juice or my juice gone, we cannot get them on juice or nothing.
Is you for real?
Yep, until the end.
You didn't say that, babe.
Nah.
You did not say that.
Nah, you ain't getting up because I told you.
Babe, the challenge was if you eat the most noodles.
This my 6th bite of noodles, and that's her 3rd one.
Yeah.
Taylor, just give up. Let me have the challenge.
I'm over here sweating. Man, can I try some of your water? Babe.
Girl. Try it. You better put that in. Told you should have got water.
I should have got some water, y'all. It look like that water ain't helping, making it hella. Like my lips hot.
You give up. You keep eating, you know, it get keep eating, you go what you call it.
I ain't even eating, y'all, and my mouth is like still on fire.
You know the way it gonna hit your heart so fast, you gonna have a heartburn right there. Woo! Well, I'd rather eat my regular chicken noodles. These are spicy. Mm. You give up?
No.
Okay. She trying not to give up, but she really want to give up, y'all.
Y'all, like, I'm literally about to cry. I am about to cry. Man, I'm like, about to go.
Eat another bite then, or
It's hard.
give up.
I'm not giving up though, but it's hard.
You only ate 3 bites, so I ate 6. That's how I know you finna give up. When she catch up with me, y'all, then I'll continue eating. If she catch up with me. Put a lot of that, it'll be easy. And you ain't got no more water, my water gone. She just gonna stuff them in her mouth and sit there and sweat. Oh, my throat burning.
That's 7.
That ain't 7. Why lie?
That's 6 then.
That's 5.
That ain't no 5. I had 2 bites.
Oh, that's 5. This makes that ain't 6. We put a little though. Cheating. I would put a lot on my Now you cheating. My lips are burning. My lips are literally burning. Maybe you should have put the vegetables on. It probably would have tasted better. I don't know who made these noodles, but good God Almighty. I don't know what they got in these. Ooh, what did it say? Very hot.
I thought they were playing. Yeah.
They got red chili pepper. Red chili pepper. Oh my God.
She is not winning. I got this.
Eating red peppers, they'll make you sick at night too when you about to go to sleep. I need some ice in my mouth. My lip burning.
Oh! Make it some ice.
Just give up. Give up. Come on. Let's go ahead. And say who won. Come on. Your lip gonna be burning all night long. I personally give up.
You give it up?
Cause
So you saying I won?
she won game.
I won?
Cause I can't. My lips.
I won?
Yeah. You went side. You thought you won. Cause get what? You were eating little bites, baby. You ain't won.
I didn't win? I ain't giving up then.
She ain't got no more drinks, so let's see will she stay in the game or give up. These things hot, man. Shoot. When you get on your 6th bite, your lips are burning. My lips are numb. Eat the whole bowl then since you want to be big shot. Cause I ain't finna eat none right now. I got my mouth. You gonna no your lip still hot. Ooh. The pepper went in my lip. It's pepper in that junk. What's in it?
My nose running? Like, y'all, look.
It gotta be more than that kind of pepper in here, cause good God Almighty.
Tobacco?
What they look like they say. That's what in there.
No wonder why these noodles, y'all. Like, I kid you not.
Red chili
I
pepper.
kid you not. This stuff is so hot. Like, I only took a couple of bites, but this stuff is so hot. Like, y'all can't even talk.
My lips burn. If I continue to eat them, I'ma feel not right.
You didn't even eat a lot. Look at me. Y'all, who ate the most? Look.
Hold on, let me first spread my noodles out now.
Who ate the most, y'all? Look. Look at it. Look at it. Pull it to the camera.
Even. They're even. I just got mine to the side. And plus, I mean,
Who ate the most, y'all?
why you cheating? It's not
Yeah.
cheating.
I bet you want to take one more bite.
Nope.
I bet you want to take 2 more bites.
Your nose, ooh.
It wasn't ready.
Yeah, it don't hit you bad. My nose ain't running, but my
Take
lips
2 more.
running. My lip on fire.
Okay, loser. If you quitting, loser, get
Wait.
slapped. So bring that ass here, boy.
I ain't the loser. I ain't the loser.
Loser get slapped with this. Slap with this. Come in.
Nah, we both the losers, cause you know we both. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, block game. Yeah, my nose is running like.
Mine's too tight.
They actually pretty good, but they hot.
That'd be good. That'd be
That'd be
real
good,
good
yeah.
if they weren't too spicy. They put too many peppers in them. I bet it's all different kind of peppers in that season.
They'll be probably good.
But you know, these noodles are like, all your noodles are too. These noodles right here,
I get these noodles like taste wise a 10.
I give these noodles a 9.5 because for
They
one,
taste just like regular noodles.
I mean they don't count it. No, they too big. I like Roman noodles, chicken flavor. They're my favorite.
She do love chicken
Yeah,
flavor noodles.
and
y'all.
I probably add stuff to it, but anyway, chicken flavor better. Woo,
I just didn't think they was gonna be this hot, y'all. Like,
me either. And they say it's chili pepper in here in the season, and I think it said Tabasco.
but that's crazy, y'all, cause we did not read this back of this package till like a few minutes in this
caution
video.
very hot.
Add their heat and handle with care to avoid spilling or burning yourself. Never microwave without water. Now, who microwave noodles without water?
Yeah, nah, come on. They should put these on every pack of noodles. But some people have done it before.
Man, I did it one time. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought I put the water in there, but like it didn't have the water in the noodles. Yeah, but this stuff is hot. All right, one more for that team. One more for that team.
Go, you gotta do a big one too. Go. I'm scared.
You do one more for the team too?
I'm gonna do a big one.
Bet you won't. One more for the game. One more for
Okay,
the game.
okay, money guy, look. I'm gonna do the biggest one.
Take game.
Money guy,
Take
look.
game.
Money guy, look.
Take game.
1,
2,
2, 3.
You trying to play.
All right, let go. 1,
2, 3. Oh, you gotta eat it for real.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it.
I'm gonna do it for my game. I ain't worried about you. So look, after I do that bite, look how many noodles I got left now.
Love you.
This girl be cheating, y'all.
Woo!
Here you go. Here you go.
I ain't eating no more.
That's the last, y'all. Gang, I won. I won, y'all.
You say what?
Cause no, you didn't.
I
Look
said
at
I
that.
won.
No, you didn't.
Boo
Da-
boo. Boo
Mm-mm. Since we doing that, Taylor.
Who won? Who won?
Who won? Same amount.
You cheating.
Same amount. We both even it out. You can't say you won, Taylor. Cause I had more bites than you. Okay.
Well, y'all, we tried the 2 times noodle spicy challenge. And just don't try it. Do not try this.
So basically, the conclusion before we end this video,
make sure y'all, like I said in the beginning, like this video,
subscribe,
comment down below.
Also ring that bell
with a ding ding ding, and we are.
You just make me feel like I'm the only one you want, and I can't imagine.